how to deactivate TikTok account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your TikTok account within the TikTok app on an iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up the app, then navigate to your profile. Once on your profile, select the three lines in the top right, and then in the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Once in the settings, select Account, and then all you need to do is at the bottom, select Deactivate or Delete Account. Once there, just choose Deactivate Account. So as you can see, no one can see your account. All the content you've posted to TikTok, including your account, will remain. It just will be invisible to anyone. You can reactivate it anytime by just logging back in. So select Deactivate Account, go ahead and select Deactivate. They're going to send a code to your email or phone number. Enter that code, select Deactivate Account, and then your account will be temporarily deactivated. Again, to reactivate, just log back into your TikTok account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.